For more awesome content, head to YSTech.org, link in the description. Hey guys, it is Ys from YSTech.org here, and today we're going to be doing a bit of a weird video. So, you can see this is my phone here, and you're probably wondering what the hell are you doing? So, this is my screen protector, and I have not replaced it for about 1.5 years. So, it's time to get this fellow off. It's very cracked, as you can see. It is actually 3 layers, which is kind of impressive, right? So, that's the one layer, and then you have to get the bottom layer off as well. So let's see here. Was that actually my phone screen? Oh wow, my phone screen was actually like that. Alright, so let's get the case off as well, because the case is pretty bloody destroyed. This phone, yeah, look at that case. Yikes. So this is my phone here, and it's in alright condition, to be honest. I mean, like, that's pretty bad. The only reason I kept it on, just a little bit of extra protection. But we're gonna have to go ahead and clean this now. So I actually have this here, so we'll go ahead and clean it. So it says alcohol wipes, and we're just gonna clean it off quickly. It's a little bit dry, but that's alright. Alright, so I got the old screen protector off, and I just cleaned up my phone, so we got rid of this thing here, and we'll be able to put the new one on. So go ahead and do that now. So I got these off Trade Me. They're $5 each. I know I usually don't get them off Trade Me, they're cheaper off AliExpress. It's the same screen protector. Basically, I've already cleaned my screen, so it's as clean as it can get. Just gotta give it one more final to get any dust off or anything like that. Just off there. So I got 2 of them. As you can see, it's the same as the old one, just not cracked at all. So we'll go ahead and put this on now, so hopefully I can get a nice peel. Okay, just gonna turn it back on and put the carry case on, but there we go. So got the phone all nice and polished now. So that about sums up the video. Thank you guys very much for watching. Make sure you can check out YSTech.org for the latest post reviews and much more. See you guys there from YSTech.org. But other than that, I hope you guys have an awesome day. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.